Hey guys, it's Kevin from the Local Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to update Windows 11. First things first, we need to get to the settings area that will allow us to search for updates. There's a few different ways, and I'll show you the few I know. First, we can click on Start, click on the settings. Over to the left, click on Windows Update. Here you can see I already have some updates that need to be downloaded and then installed. But I'll show you the other two methods to get to this area. The second way of getting to the settings area is click on Start, and then you can just start typing on the keyboard settings. This comes in handy if you have a lot of apps in your Start window and you have to scroll through a bunch of apps to get to the settings option. This way it gets you there faster. Click on Settings, scroll down to Update again. Here we are. The third way of getting to the Windows Update screen is a little quicker. Just click on Start. On your keyboard, just start typing Windows Update, and you'll see the Windows Update settings. Click on it, and you'll be brought right here. Now that my updates have finished installing, I am now presented with a Restart Now button. Click on it, and my system will start to restart, and you'll see a Windows message at the restart screen saying the updates are being installed. See? Updates are installing. This can take a little while. Sometimes it goes fast, sometimes it takes a while. It all depends on the speed of your computer and how big these updates are. There we go. We have some updates installed. Okay, so I'm back at the Windows Update screen. Here's the check for update button I told you about earlier. Just wanted to show you that because mine wasn't available then. Once you click on it, you'll start to see it check for updates. It says I have updates available, and now they're downloading. As you saw earlier, this was presented as another separate download and install button. Since it was such a big, depending on the updates, they will section off security updates from big cumulative updates. This is probably going to change the build version of Windows. Once it finishes downloading, I'll get a... Oh, it's sometimes gives you the option to click on install, but this is installing automatically for me. It's installed and it's pending a restart. Click on restart now. There we go. That update was installed. Let's go back. Settings. Windows updates. So out of date, I have more installs, or more updates to install. Other things I want to show you about the Windows Update screen are the other options you have. So if you have a busy week and you just don't want to check for updates, you can pause your update searches, your automatic updates, for however long you want, a whole week, 2 weeks, and all the way up to 5 weeks. And when these options are selected, your system will not check for updates and not install them automatically until that time period is up. The other section I want to show you is the advanced options. So if we turn this option on, receive updates for other Microsoft products, it will search for not just system updates, but also application updates that any other applications you have from Microsoft. So if you have the Office suite installed on your system, updates will be searched for and downloaded if this option is turned on. And then get me up to date. When you turn this one on, this will automatically restart your system for you as soon as the updates have been downloaded and installed. And if a restart is required, it will restart your system as soon as possible without you having to manually click on the restart button. This option, not too many people have to worry about it unless you have a Windows laptop or tablet that is able to use a mobile connection. So, and by mobile, I mean something from a cellular carrier. And this comes in handy if you are restricted to by bandwidth by the carrier, so you don't go over your data usage limit. Next option, notify me when a restart is required to finish updating. You turn this on and your updates are done downloading. You usually get a little update in this part of the screen, a little notification box that says, hey, your system needs to restart. And another handy option is active hours. Here you can manually adjust the hours you use your computer. So if you are, say, working from 7 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the afternoon, your system will not prompt you to download or restart your computer to apply updates until after these hours. And if you have your settings set to automatically restart your computer, your system won't start and restart itself until it is outside of these active hours of use. And these are the Windows Update options I wanted to share with you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it, and thanks for watching.